We found a turtle in the backyard. Let's see what the little boy is up to. Oh, it's a fairly good sized one too. There we go. Hello. Are we digging? What are you digging? Let me see. Don't be afraid. Oh, you're a water one. You got all that little good stuff in the lake over there. What are you digging for? You looking for food, I bet. Wish I had something to feed you. You want to eat this? Is that it? Not into the leaves, huh? I don't know if there's anything else here that you eat. You want to walk? There you go. Don't be afraid. Nobody's going to touch you. Put your head out. I want to see what you're doing. What's your name? I need your head out. Better watch out. The HOA may turn you in to a turtle. Aha. There you go, little guy. Come on, put your head out. Put your head out. Say hello. Say hello, world. I'm Tommy the Turtle, and I'm over here. Why you're digging a hole blows my mind. Because normally you're in a lake. And a lake is all that good stuff you get to eat. And I know I'm not going to give you a pig, but you look pretty old there. Let's see you. Doohickey. What's doing, guy? You can say hello to everybody? Let me see. I'm trying to get you to come out. I know, I ain't gonna hurt you. You can come out. I ain't gonna touch you. I was thinking you would eat leaves, but I have no lettuce. When the other guy had eat a lettuce, the one I had across the street, that was a land turtle. So we'll see what you're gonna do. Apparently you're just being a good little boy or a little girl. Oh, look at that. A little fly just landed on your left claw, leg. Little by little, that head is coming out slowly but surely. Let me just get away for a second and see if I can get you and see what you're going to do. Aha. Here we go. Are you? Whoop. Nope, you're not doing anything. You're going to be a good little boy, so I'll just leave her alone and you can sit there and enjoy yourself. Oop, here comes the head a little bit. Let's see. See, let me get behind him and see if I encourages him to get out. There we go. All right, we're getting a little head now. You're a big son. You're about a foot long. Right? Nothing? All quiet over there? I'm trying to see if there's anything in here. You're about 100 feet from the lake. And there's nothing over here that you'd really like. Well, I'm really not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not on a turtle's diet. So we'll just say hello. There you go. Your head's coming out a little more. See? Nobody's going to hurt you. You're in your own environment now. Nobody's going to worry about you. Okay. Little by little, things are disappearing. There you go. That's one of our neighbors leaving. Going to North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina. Whoops, get out of there. That was a fly. All right. So what I'll do is, I don't want to scare you any more than you are scared. If you see your head's going to go in. I ain't going to scare you anymore. So just Barney in the Dougherty Garden, one of my visitors that we get on occasion. So I'll leave him and see where he goes from the back of the house. There's not to scare him. Bye-bye.